Hey, what's up? Welcome to another episode with a good deal guy. Today, I want to show you guys, this is my new wireless thermometer. This is by INSMART. This is actually really nice. So what it does, I don't know if you remember back in the day, they had the ones with a wire. You have to like stick it in a turkey or whatever. So this one, I already opened it because I was trying to connect it to my phone and it wouldn't connect. And then I'm like, maybe I should charge it. So it comes in a case in the box, brand new like this, and you put it there. So what you want to do, you want to make sure there was a little plastic here, so you have to take it off. Okay, so this can connect right there, and then at the end there is these two. They have to connect here, right? So I'm going to show you that real quick. So you go here, and you can see that the lights come on. And you plug them in and it has an indicator. It shows you how much charge you have. Okay. Now, in the package also comes with the manual. So you have to read that real quick. But if you don't want to read it, I'll make your job a little bit easier. If you use an iPhone or if you use a Samsung or Android phones, all you have to go to Play Store. This is the app you want to get. Probe Plus. Okay. So you're going to install this. It takes a couple of seconds. You can actually scan this here with your phone. You open your camera, you scan this, you're going to get a yellow link and you follow the link. Or you can just go to Play Store or iTunes Store and just get the app, right? Let's see real quick. So this one our app is ready. This one I charge it for, I think like maybe like a half an hour, 1 hour to get a full charge. It's almost full. You can see the things. They're actually made really nice. But let's check this out now. So we're going to open the app. Pro Plus. And you have to confirm while using the app. Allow. And allow. Add a device. And it's searching for the devices, right? That is our device. And all you have to do, push add. It's called FM2 series if you're looking for it. But this is added. Perfect. Now it's added. And you can open it. And this, like I said, if you have a smoker, if you have a barbecue, or you're doing an oven, you're doing turkey, you're doing beef, you're doing roast, anything, you put it in the meat and you can check the temperature. Again, I would suggest you read the manual. Also, here it has some more settings. You can go through those settings and check it out. Okay, and you can push this here quick, see what's going on. This is really nice. This is actually really nice. I really like this. So I just wanted to show you guys what's in the box, how to connect them. Make sure you connect them, you charge them, and they're, I think, dishwasher safe. You have to read the manual, but obviously this part you want to keep it nice and clean. This part, maybe wash it with hands just to be safe. But you can read the manual. They tell you all the stuff about it as well. Perfect. I really like this. I was looking on Amazon and they had really good reviews. There were some other ones that were more expensive. There were some other ones a little bit cheaper, but they had the best reviews. So I figured I ordered one. They're not that expensive. They're like $70, $80, unless you catch them on sale. But I'm going to leave you guys the link if you want to order one for yourself, or maybe you want to buy one for a gift. Mother's Day coming up, Father's Day coming up. They make a really good gift. Again, if you're brand new to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe to support my work and you can see all my reviews. Thanks for watching.